Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can leave a note on your Instagram account.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Instagram account. After that, tap on the chat icon. Now, tap on your profile button. Now, leave a note and then tap on share. And that's it guys, this is how you can leave a note on your Instagram account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.